each bird in the garden rejoices in its own language, and singing rings through their beaks. But I compose better than anyone else, for the gay science taught me to praise the day at sunset and the host in the morning, not to answer every fool and not loiter along with a loiterer. For cowardice ebbs as the wave on the sea, which is why I check on my neighbor, and certainly I don't want him humming that for which they call me a cuckold. Certainly not. Envy never will be satiated until the end, nor will greed either, for the envious and greedy go back and forth to their downfall. Nor do I think that malice hides for sure in full pomp. The rich already follow its train, and when cowardice struts, it carries malice on its arse. On its arse always. It is hardly shameless, whoring of the highest caliber, but certainly welcomes a cursed dwarf baboon, for it works often, whoever may complain. Because he has his second key, which is why the master of the house, I assure you, wears a horned hat, courtesy of cunt, because it is only through a graft that his lady's tummy swells, so says Marcabru. And I cannot help but scold the damage women cause you. And since no one stops on my advice, if one peels, let the other shave and turn against blame. For your womanizing overflows and resembles the game of the donkey, sometimes the laugh of dogs. And may God, who wants the best above all, confound it. Found it. If the lordship of Geronda rises, it will rise even more, provided that he takes care to confuse the heathen. This Jesus commands. But I compose better than anyone else. For the gay science.